we are just ignoring our basic needs, right? Because we are having the three basic needs, and among that three basic need, it is our food, right? But at the same time, in perspective of food, what is needed for our body, we are not focusing it at all. Or in some another sense, we always teach others that yes, you are supposed to do like this, or you are supposed to do like that. You can say the industries, they used to add all these things which are not good for us, or industries, they add all these things. Specifically, if I go with examples, like media channels, they are playing a major role, right, in terms of educating the people. But again, there is again a marketing rivalry is going on. See, say for example, the sport drinks, the cold drinks, they have been coming, or they have been launched in the market earlier as a sport drink, right? Because at that time you need a special energy source, instant source. But now there is no such sport it is related with, but at the same time you are taking those drinks just for the sake of showing your, yes, I have been following certain idealism, my idol is this, or you can say that, you can say that actor or actress has shown some advertisement, and you are just following those instead of following what exactly your body needs, right?
Absolutely.
And
So
at
I
the
think
same,
we will start with your slides initially,
yeah,
and I guess
yeah,
most of the important aspect you are anyways talking. So shall I request you to please share your screen
yeah.
and let
Yeah,
us talk
I'm
one
just
by one.
sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen.
Yeah.
So here is my topic. Wait, I'm just presenting.
Yes.
So this topic is something which I feel that every one of my family member, or my, you can say the neighborhood, or everyone should be aware of, because nowadays everyone is just facing this issue at your home. Because see, most of the time ladies, they used to cook for everyone member in your home, but at the same time they are not doing only one job, right? For cooking, they have to manage the
Multi-purpose.
whole,
Yeah.
multi-purpose, yes. So but yes, she has to take care of the nutritious part, but most of the time she is not having that much of time to invest her time in reading out that what is processing, how the nutrition is going to affect when I am going to use that processed product, or when I'm going to process in that sense. So accordingly, I have used this PPT to just the common topic to be discussed among each and everyone, right? So let's start that what are the myths and what exactly we are doing. We always say that food, it is important. Food, we need to provide everything for our body. But what actually we do? So first of all, a little bit introduction I'm just going on, why there is a need of food processing and innovative technologies are coming in the market. See, most of the time we want that, yes, any sort of food that could be what we are getting from the plants or from the animals, that should be nutritious, right? But nutrition terminology, it is not something that look great, right? Because if you are going to eat something nutritious, that may or may not look appealable to your eyes. That is going to depend upon the things of your you can say the contents of the food, right?
Yeah.
So we are cooking, we are peeling, we are removing all those parts to make it digestible. For example, like in case of plant foods or any animal food we take, so we are just converting and we are just ingesting that, yes, that should be easily digestible, so that our body get what our body needs. Then, but obviously it is a human psychology that yes, we cannot consume one type of food for the whole three times, right?
Yeah.
So that psychology to give acceptance that yes, I am happy because I have consumed one this time this meal, then secondly, I, that is very much you can say tempting to my taste buds and all that, then all these things. Then storage life, see, even at your home, You are cooking, your mom is cooking, she is not able to cook all the time, right? She
Yeah.
must need, and everybody needs the time to rest. So accordingly you need to preserve that food, and for that the different instruments has to be developed, like fridge it is there, or you can just peel over the things and then you cling wrap it. And specifically the ready made foods, or you can say ready to eat, ready to serve, or ready to cook, all these kind of foods are coming in the market. So these are the needs of the today's time. We cannot ignore it, that yes, I am just preparing by waking up 5 at the morning and I'm peeling and I'm making pickles, I'm making chutney, I'm making this, and it is not possible at this point of time, right?
Yeah.
So whenever you're not going to cook in, you can say, short period of time, then how can you say so that the processed foods what are available in the market, they are adding additives, they are the need. So we are going to discuss all these things now. Easily accessible, see, food it is needed, you want to eat every, or you can say you want that your satiety should be satisfied, your hunger should be full, that should not, your stomach should not always demanding, and your you can say attention should not be diverted to those things, that yes, you can say diverted from your work which are you are doing, right? So you want that every should be easily accessible, then consumable, you want that should be easily opened, if it is like a chip packet, if it is like anything, if anything that needs energy to turn it up, or
Mm.
just like just peel it up, you would definitely going to ignore it, right? Then it is suits to one pocket. uh, why it is saying, because see, every in India there is around 1.3 billion people are there, but at the same time if I go by their income level, right, if I go
Mm.
by their income level, then on that income level whatever I am able to access, my pocket it is going to buy, that everyone is not going to buy, right? And if he is just putting all the things in buying something nutritious, like, for example, I'm just giving one, posing one example, like Maggie, right? It is only 10 rupees packet, since you can say 20, 25 years or 30 years they are just giving 10 rupees packet. Now come to the point that yes, now it becomes a need. Every person, every child, that could be you can say old person, that could be any sort of age group, they like that food product. Why? That has been in the need, that was want, that means they can eat it, but now that has become the need, that yes, whenever you're not having time, whenever you want something eat very varietyful, or when you want to quench your spicy food thirst, then you can eat it, right? But now again there is again a political issue, or should I say there are certain issues like that has been containing MSG, that is containing lead or so. All of these things are earlier also, even at present, whatever the water you are consuming, have you ever tested for it, that yes, RO, what you have implemented or what is your going on your home, have you ever tested about it, the turbidity of that, that yes, for how long it has been just cleaning out the water? No one, no one. They always focus on others, not ourselves, or not in their home, right? So that is the thing. I'm
आई
not
थिंक
saying it.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही सरलता से डॉक्टर ज्योति ने हमें बताया है कि फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी क्यों रिक्वायर है, क्यों
जी
जरूरत है इस चीज का। क्योंकि ये जो आप अवेलेबिलिटी है, डाइजेस्टिबिलिटी है और वैरायटी मिले, हमें अलग अलग चीज खाने को मिले, उसका शेल्फ लाइफ का स्टोरेज भी हो कि वो 1 घंटे 2 घंटे में खराब ना हो जाए, और वो आपको मिले भी,
हम्म,
और आप इजीली कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, और वो आपके पॉकेट में भी ज्यादा
हम्म,
हार्ड ना हो, ज्यादा कॉस्टली ना हो।
हम्म,
तो इसके बारे में ही, इसलिए फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री चल रही है, वरना तो सभी लोग खाना अपने घर में ही बना लेते हैं। तो ये
वही
इंडस्ट्री
बात तो
इसलिए
है।
चल रही है, फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री मैम, मुझे जितना लगता है कि इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एक एक्सटर्नल किचन है आपके लिए, है ना?
हम्म
तो वो एक्सटर्नल किचन आपके लिए खाना बनाता है, और वो खाना आप चाहे आप आज खाएं या 2 दिन बाद खाएं या 2 महीने बाद खाएं, वो एक टाइप का एक कन्वीनियंस दे रही है आपके लिए, है ना?
तो आई एम कमिंग टू दोज पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो कि हम जो सोचते हैं वो हम करते नहीं है, ठीक है? जो हम दूसरों को बताते हैं, हम दूसरों से वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो करें, पर वो चीज हम पे लागू नहीं होनी चाहिए।